In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your lost content in Milanote. If you've ever accidentally deleted important notes from your Milanote board, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through the simple steps you can take to retrieve your data effortlessly. First, let's talk about Milanote's built-in safety net for lost content, the trash. When you delete an item in Milanote, whether by accident or intentionally, it isn't immediately gone forever. Instead, Milanote moves it to the trash, providing a grace period of 3 months to recover your items. Think of it as a digital recycling bin where deleted notes and files aren't permanently erased right away. To begin the recovery process, you'll want to open the trash. Start by navigating to the trash icon located at the bottom left corner of your Milanote screen. Click on this icon to access the trash. Now that you're inside, you'll notice 2 important tabs: Deleted by Me and Deleted by Others. These tabs categorize the deleted items based on who deleted them, making it easier for you to locate what you're looking for. Once inside the trash, browse through both tabs if necessary. Take your time to look around and ensure you're not missing anything crucial. This is your chance to find those misplaced notes, vital ideas, or even collaborative sketches that might have been accidentally discarded. If you've got a large number of items in the trash, you might need to do a bit of scrolling and searching, but trust me, it'll be worth it in the end. As soon as you locate the items you wish to recover, the next step is to drag them back to their rightful place on your board. It's as simple as clicking, holding, and dragging the item directly from the trash back onto your board. Don't worry if your board was rearranged in the meantime. You can reorganize your content once everything is back in place. And that's really all there is to it. That's how you can prevent digital disasters, by quickly and effectively recovering your deleted items in Milanote. Also, remember, this process is seamless and user-friendly, designed to give you peace of mind, knowing that even after accidental deletions, your crucial work isn't lost forever. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide was helpful in making your Milanote experience a little less stressful and much more productive. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks on making the most out of your digital tools. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to help. Have a great day and happy organizing.